Magandang araw mga classmate. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-graph ng linear equation into variables, kung saan ang given natin ay maaaring 2 points, ang x and y intercepts, at ang slope at y-intercept. Okay, so let us consider the 3 points or 3 sets of points na meron tayo dito. So yun yung ating ipa-plot sa ating Cartesian plane. So yung letter A, so this is an example kung saan ang given ay 2 points. So we have the first point, ang coordinates niya ay -6, 2. So kung ipa-plot natin siya sa Cartesian plane, siya ay makikita natin sa quadrant 2. Okay. So the next point is 1, 3 na makikita natin sa quadrant 1. So after we plot or plotted the points, so connect natin para makita natin yung magiging graph ng first set of point. Okay. Yung next set ng ating points ay ito yung halimbawa naman ng ating x and y intercepts. Kung saan yung ating x-intercept ay merong coordinates na -2, 0. So siya ay makikita natin sa x-axis. So specifically, nasa -x-axis. Ito yon, -2, 0. So yung second point natin, 0, 5, ay makikita natin sa positive y-axis. So pwede na nating i-connect yung ating points. Again, ito yung ating y-intercept. Ito yung ating x-intercept. Okay, so nandito yung ating pangalawang graph. Yung ating pangatlong pair ng point. Okay, so ito naman yung point or in this case, ang ating specific point ay -3, 4. Then yung isa pang given ay yung kanyang slope. Okay. So, kapag given ang slope at isang point, so much better na unahin natin yung point kapag tayo ay magpa-plot sa Cartesian plane. So, ang ating unang point ay -3, 4. So, siya ay makikita natin sa quadrant 2. Okay. So, question. So, paano natin ipa-plot yung ating slope kung siya ay equal sa 2? So, alam natin na yung ating slope ay representation niya yung ginagamit natin na letter M, which is also equal to rise over run. Sabihin, kung ang ating slope ay 2, so ang ating rise is 2 or positive 2, ang run natin is positive 1. So, pwede rin nating i-consider since if we have a -2 na rise at ang kanyang run is -1, so this is also equal to positive 2. So, pwedeng ito yung gamitin natin, pwede rin namang ito. Okay. So, from the first point na naiplot natin, so rise, so ibig sabihin, bilang tayo ng 2 units pataas. So, we have from 4, 5, 6. So, makikita natin dito yung initial na position ng point, and then, so ang ating run ay papunta sa kanan. So, ibig sabihin, bibilang tayo ng 1 unit papunta sa kanan since positive yung ating ginamit na slope. So, from -3 papunta sa kanan, so matatapat tayo sa -2. So, nandito yung ating slope na 2/1. Okay. So, pag ginamit naman natin yung negative 2 over negative 1, so ganun pa rin. So, dahil ang ating rise ay negative, so instead na papunta sa taas, so babalik tayo pababa. So, dalawang units pababa, so matatapat tayo sa 3, 2. Dito sa y-axis, positive 2. And then, ang ating run ay negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, instead na papunta sa kanan, papunta ulit tayo sa kaliwa. So, kung tayo ay nakatapat sa negative 3, so, papunta sa kaliwa, so, matatapat tayo sa negative 4. So, nandito yung ating slope na negative 2 over negative 1. Okay, pag kinonect natin siya, so, ito yung magiging graph ng ating pangatlong set ng points. Okay, subukan naman natin yung ating pangalawang example kung saan ang given natin ay 3x minus 2y equals to 12. So, in this case, kailangan natin siyang i-graph gamit yung 2 points. So, kung babalikan natin yung ating previous lesson on how to find the solutions of linear equation, so ibig sabihin, we can set, o yung ating magiging first step dito is to set values of x. So, ibig sabihin, tayo ang magbibigay ng possible o nung value ng x. So, let's say we use x equals to positive 1. So, using this value, so isa-substitute lang natin siya sa given equation. So, we'll have 3 times 1 minus 2y equals 12. So, 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2y equals 12. So, we're going to solve for value of y. So, ibig sabihin, para ma-simplify natin yung equation, so in this case, pwede tayong gumamit ng addition property of equality. So, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 3 both side. Okay, para ma-cancel natin yung positive 3 na nasa left side. So, ang matitira ay negative 2y. So, simplify natin yung right side. So, we have 12 plus negative 3. So, the answer is positive 9. So, in this case, apply naman natin yung multiplication property of equality. So, di-divide natin both side by negative 2. So, this will be cancelled. So, ang value ng y natin is negative 9 over 2. Or, pwede nating i-simplify in mixed fraction. So, this is equivalent to negative 4 and 1 half. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin para mas madali natin siyang ma-plot sa ating Cartesian plane. So, ibig sabihin, we have one point na merong coordinate na ang ating x is 1, and then ang ating y is negative 4 and 1 half. Okay. So, next, since 2 points ang hinahanap natin, okay, so let's say this time, ang value ng x natin ay, let's say, negative 1. So, if we have x equals to negative 1, so same procedure, multiply natin yung 3 sa negative 1, or replace natin yung x ng negative 1. So, minus 2y equals 12. So, 3 times negative 1, we have negative 3 minus 2y equals 12. So, kapag nag-APE tayo, so we'll have negative 3 plus 3 minus 2y equals 12 plus 3. So, kung ano yung in-add natin dito, so yun din yung i-add sa right side. So, this will be cancelled. So, we have negative 2y equals 12 plus 3 is 15. Divide both side by negative 2. So, ang ginamit natin dito ay multiplication property of equality para ma-cancel yung negative 2 over negative 2. So, we have y equals negative 15 over 2, or we have negative 7 and 1/2. Okay. So, another set of point na meron tayo. So, we have negative 1, negative 7 and 1/2. Okay. So, pwede na natin siyang i-plot sa ating Cartesian plane. So, we have 1, negative 4 and 1/2. So, siya ay makikita natin sa quadrant 2. Okay, sorry. Quadrant 4. So, yung second point natin nasa quadrant 3. Okay, so yun munang 1, negative 4 and 1/2. So, we have, okay, so dito natin siya makikita. So, ito yung 1. And then, ito yung negative 4 and 1/2. So, kung saan sila nag-intersect, so, yun yung location ng ating first point. Okay. So, next, we have negative 1, negative 7 and 1/2. So, negative 1, and then negative 7 and 1/2. Okay, so dito siya. So, kapag na-connect natin, okay, so ito ngayon yung graph ng ating equation na 3x minus 2y equals 12. So, this time, same linear equation pa rin yung ating ipa-plot na point. So, expect na ang ating magiging graph ay the same dun sa ating previous na ginawa. Okay, pero this time, ang gagamitin natin ay yung x and y-intercepts. Okay. So, for us to find the x and y-intercept, so para sa x-intercept, so we have to set y equals to 0. So, then solve for x. Okay, subukan natin. So, magiging 3x minus 2. So, sabi natin, kapag x-intercept ang hahanapin natin, so, set natin yung y sa 0. So, magiging 2 times 0 equals 12. Okay, so 2 times 0. So, this is 0. So, we have 3x equals 12. So, APE uli, or multiplication property of equality pala ang gagamitin natin. So, divide natin both side by 3. So, this will be cancelled. So, x is equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating x-intercept ay merong coordinate na 4, 0. Subukan naman natin yung y-intercept. So, ito naman ay opposite. So, kung y-intercept, so isi-set naman natin yung ating x sa 0. So, yung ating given na equation, so magiging 3 times 0 minus 2y equals 12. So, 3 times 0, so this is 0. So, we have negative 2y equals 12. Divide both side by negative 2. So, our y is 12 divided by negative 2, we have negative 6. Okay, so therefore, yung ating y-intercept ay merong coordinate na 0, negative 6. Okay, so pwede na uli nating i-plot itong points na ito sa ating Cartesian plane. So we have our x-intercept 4, 0. So, nasa positive x-axis siya. Yun. Then, yung ating y-intercept ay makikita natin sa negative y-axis. So, dahil yung ating value ng y or yung b ay negative 6. Okay. So, i-connect natin yung points again. So, ito yung magiging graph ng ating equation na 3x minus 2y equals 12. Okay, so check natin kung parehas yung naging graph natin. So yun, so ibig sabihin kapag tinuloy natin yung graph, so ito yung magiging itsura ng ating graph. So dahil parehas na linear equation yung ating na-plot sa Cartesian plane. And for our last set of point, using the same linear equation, 3x minus 2y equals 12. So this time, ang gagamitin naman natin ay y-intercept at saka yung slope. Although in our previous slide, meron na tayong idea kung ano yung ating y-intercept. So in this case, let us try again to solve for the y-intercept as well as the slope of the equation. So ang gagawin natin, since we have a standard form of linear equation, so let's try to transform this equation to slope-intercept form o sa ating y equals to mx plus b. Kung saan yung m, ito yung slope, then yung b, ito yung y-intercept. Okay. So when we apply addition property of equality dito sa ating equation, so we have 3x plus, so since ang ating main goal dito ay ang matira sa left side ng equation natin is y. So first we have to think of a way para ma-eliminate natin yung 3x sa left side. So mag-a-add tayo ng opposite sign ng 3x, which is negative 3x. Minus 2y equals 12. So kung ano yung i-add natin sa left side, so yun din ang i-add natin sa right side. Okay. So simplify natin yung left side. So we have 3x plus negative 3x. So ito yung makakancel natin. So we have negative 2y equals, so i-write natin yung right side. We have negative 3x plus 12. So next step, apply natin yung MPE. So divide natin yung lahat ng terms by negative 2. Okay. So negative 2 divided by negative 2. So this will be cancelled. So we have y equals negative 3 divided by negative 3. So this will lead to positive 3 over 2x. And then 12 divided by negative 2. So this will lead to negative 6. So in this case, meron na tayong slope na 3 over 2 and y-intercept, since ang ating b is equal to negative 6, so ibig sabihin ang y-intercept natin is 0, negative 6. So gamit itong dalawang ito, so pwede na nating ma-plot yung ating or ma-graph yung ating linear equation. So unahin natin yung ating y-intercept na 0, negative 6. Okay, so dito siya. Ito yung ating 0, negative 6. And then, ang slope natin ay 3 over 2. So, ibig sabihin, rise natin is 3. Yung run ay 2. So, from negative 6, bibilang tayo ng 3 units pataas. So, we have 1, 2, 3. And then, 2 units na run. So, since positive, papunta tayo sa right side. So, we have 1, 2. So, matatapat dapat yung point natin kay positive 2. So, ito yung ating point after may apply natin yung rise over run. So, connect natin yung points. Okay. So, again, ito yung graph ng ating linear equation na 3x minus 2y equals to 12. Okay. Check natin kung parehas. Yun. Okay. So, that's it. I hope ay meron kayong natutunan sa lesson natin about the graph of linear equation. And feel free to share this video to others, especially sa iba pa nating classmate, para mas marami pa tayong matulungang iba. Until next time!